My name is Christopher Carter, and I am one of your loyal customer. When I start to do shipping, I was so scared to run my credit card. I was so scared. But after a while, I realized that I see things that I need. And man, I start to shop and I shop and I shop and I shop. And I shop down the whole world. I want to say to the lovely staff, you are a wonderful set of picnic. You don't really know how to deal with customer. The delivery is prompt and I like every moment. And I would recommend a million people and more to shop and ship with your company. Also, you just talk on the phone. I have a problem in doing my shipping alert. And you always call me and say, Mr. Carter, you don't do the shipping alert. What is wrong with you? Your customer service is more than 100. You're a beautiful staff. You're a Christmas staff. Remember me, I'm my name Carter. Merry Christmas to the hard working staff. Walk out. I'm going to buy again and ship and carry come give me before New Year's Day. Walk out. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love you all.